Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about how to set up a Raspberry Pi to measure readings from a DHT11 sensor and how to connect a simple circuit with a DHT11. For the connection of the DHT11 sensor to the Raspberry Pi 4 board, connect the VCC of the DHT11 to pin 1 of the Raspberry Pi board. Connect the data pin of the DHT11 to pin 7 of the Raspberry Pi board. Note that there is a 10k ohm resistor that connects the VCC and data pins. Lastly, connect the ground to pin 39 of the Raspberry Pi board. For the setup of the Raspberry Pi to be able to read from a DHT11 sensor, you will need to install the Adafruit DHT library. First, open the browser and search for Adafruit DHT Raspberry. Navigate to the place that says Set up your Linux board for using CircuitPython libraries. Scroll down till you see Update your Pi in Python. Press the copy text. Paste the copied text into the terminal of the Raspberry Pi 4. Once it had downloaded, copy the next line of text. Once both lines are done downloading, scroll down till you see the third piece of text to copy. You may need to reboot prior to installing Blinka. The raspi blinka.py script will inform you if it is necessary. Once you have updated your Python and installed Blinka, go back to the previous page. Now we can install the CircuitPython DHT library. Run the 2 lines of text that are highlighted in red. After that, you can copy the code that we are going to use to measure readings from the DHT11 sensor. This code is written in Python and is used to read temperature and humidity data from a DHT11 sensor using the Adafruit DHT library. Here's an explanation of the code. Import time. This line imports the time module, which provides various time-related functions. Import board. This line imports the board module from the Adafruit_Blinka package. It provides a pin mapping for different supported boards. Import Adafruit_DHT. This line imports the Adafruit_DHT module from the Adafruit DHT library, which allows communication with DHT sensors. DHT device equals Adafruit_DHT.DHT11 board.D4. This line initializes a DHT11 object named DHT device connected to pin D4 on the board. This represents the connection between the DHT11 sensor and the Arduino board. Modify board.D4 if your sensor is connected to a different pin. DHT device equals Adafruit_DHT.DHT11 board.D4, use_Pulsio equals false. This line initializes the DHT device object with use_Pulsio set to false. This is used to disable the use of Pulsio for some boards that have issues with it. If your board supports Pulsio, you can omit this line or set use_Pulsio equals true. While true, this is an infinite loop that continuously reads temperature and humidity data from the sensor. Inside the loop, try. This line begins a try except block to handle any potential errors during sensor readings. Temperature_C equals DHT device.temperature. This line reads the temperature value in degrees Celsius from the DHT device object and assigns it to the temperature_C variable. Temperature_F equals temperature_C, 9, 5, plus 32. This line converts the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and assigns it to the temperature_F variable. Humidity equals DHT device.humidity. This line reads the humidity value from the DHT device object and assigns it to the humidity variable. Print. This line prints the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius, along with the humidity percentage, using formatted string syntax. Accept runtime error as error. This line handles a runtime error exception, which may occur if there is an issue with the sensor. Print error. arg0. This line prints the error message associated with the runtime error exception. Time.sleep 2.0. This line introduces a 2-second delay using the sleep function from the time module. The code will continuously read temperature and humidity data from the DHT11 sensor, display the values, and repeat after a 2-second delay. If any runtime error occurs, it will be printed, and the loop will continue. Thanks for watching.